Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make the hand gesture edit in CapCut videos. So if you want to make certain parts of your video pop by adding creative elements that follow hand movement, here I'm going to show you the easiest way to track and enhance hands gesture in CapCut. So I've already add 3 clips in here. Now you can start by clicking on the second clip and go to the freeze frame option. Click on the freeze and trim the freeze frame to around 1.5 because my hand gesture durations is 1.5 like this. And now remove the background. Okay, after the background is removed, you can make this freeze frame as overlay and put it at the end of the first clip like this. And then you can add the hand gesture green screen. And now you can just look for where the hand gesture click on the screen. I'm going to just go in here. Oops. And I'm going to add beads to mark the green screen like this. So now you can just move the green screen and make sure that the yellow dot is on the end of the freeze frame. It's aligned with the freeze frame. Okay, like this. And let's remove the green screen first. You can go to the remove background, chroma key, and drag the color picker to the green screen and adjust the intensity like this. You can hit on a check icon and I'm going to make the hand bigger just like this. And I'm going to click on the freeze frame and go to animations. Here I'm going to add the slide right animation first, so it will go up like this. And now you can add keyframes at the end of the freeze frame and also on here. So on the first keyframe, I'm going to make the car a little bit smaller, and on the second frame, a second key, let's make it into the original size. So it will have a click animation. So let's see if it's okay, just like this. If it still doesn't feel right, you can adjust the position again. So I think I'm going to add another keyframe in here. So there are 3 keyframes that I'm going to add. The first one in here, and the second one I'm going to make it smaller, and the third one to its original size, so it will have these animations. Okay, so that's how you can add the hand gesture animations to your videos in a CapCut PC. Sorry, CapCut mobile. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. And so I'll see you in the next one.